So let's start with the Dostana that was not to be. John and Abhishek may share a cracking chemistry, but his girlfriend Bipasha Basu was not to be so lucky. Now, while you chew on that, Vikram Thapa has done some in-depth analysis. So Vikram, what's the real theory behind this last-minute exit?
Well, the real story, as they all say, is that they didn't have a role really for Bipasha Basu, and Bipasha Basu clearly did not look miffed, though there was an undercurrent of how irritated she was. She was there at the Jimmy Choo relaunch, and this is what she had to say. I share my words and this space with the lovely, beautiful Bipasha Basu. She stands tall in her Jimmy who?
Jimmy Choo.
Jimmy Choo it is. So tell me, what is the first pair that you ever owned? How many do you own, by the way?
Not too many. You know, because I prefer them to be gifted. And not too many people want to buy such expensive shoes for even me.
If I need to buy one for that special...
Girlfriend?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Which one should it be? I mean, what all should I take care of?
Well, you know, your lady who you want to buy the shoe for, she should try it. It should be her taste and choice because these are very expensive shoes, and I don't believe in splurging just for the heck of it. I think when you're giving somebody something expensive, they should really like it, so let them choose it.
I'd rather just go to Bangkok and buy the cheap one.
Yeah. 150 rupees, you'll get one.
Jimmy Choo.
Jimmy Choo, yeah. Or Jimmy, C-H-E-W.
Oh, that's even better.
Yeah.
But tell me, talking about your films now, I mean, All the Best is nearing release, Diwali time. Excited?
I'm excited about the timing of this release because it is a time when people want to go with the entire family and watch a film. And this is quite a clean, neat film which will make you laugh, and it's not made for one particular age group. So everyone can watch it and just have a good laugh. And it's not a film that you have to leave your brain away and come. You can just, it's a situational comedy, so you need your brain a bit.
People will talk about competition at the box office. There is Men, Mrs. Khanna, there is Blue.
Well, I think the more the merrier. It's a festive occasion, and if people can choose between a romantic film, an action and a comedy, I think it's a good variety that we are giving them. And I just wish that the film industry prospers. It's very important that all films do well. So yes, I would love All the Best to do well, but so should Blue and May or Mrs. Khanna.
But all the best to the rest of them also.
Yes, absolutely. Mostly to me.
Okay, one last question, and we have to ask you this. I mean, there was news in the paper that you're not doing Ravan anymore. Is there a particular reason why?
No, you know, it's a director's call, and they do realize that the track that they created for me, it was not right from the beginning of the film. And it is going to hamper the real story of the film. And they didn't want to, you know, let me down on the editing table, and it was very frank and nice of them to let me know so. And it's unfortunate, but it's not happening. But we'll work with Mani sir soon, hopefully. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your words. It's always a pleasure.
Thank you. Take care.
Tuba.com